up again as the Top Stock Eliminator field opens the first round. 11 new Plymouths make up the field. From Michigan beats Bill Andrews and the only stick shift car in the field. Bill Shirey from Detroit keeps the Michigan record intact with an 11.78 ET. Hank Taylor from Texas watches the Christmas tree. But Bill Jenkins eliminates Taylor with an ET of 11.57 and a top speed of 125 miles per hour. Dave Koppel and the Maloney Motors Plymouth Automatic are at the line. Koppel beats Bill Flynn in a tight race. Dick Housey eliminates Doug Lovegrove in the first round finale. After the Highlander and the Missouri Mule had moved down the stretch, the winning time was 11.69 seconds and the top end speed 123.62 miles per hour.